In this video I'll teach you how you can turn off comments on a Facebook post. So first up, load up the Facebook app, and here I'm just going to go to my profile. Okay, so go to your profile and find the post you want to turn off comments for. After you have found the post, click on the three dots in the top right corner right here, and then click on Edit Privacy. First off, we need to make our post public. So select the first option, public. Now you can press on the back arrow. Okay, just refresh your Facebook page by scrolling all the way up, like this. And now if our post has been made public, we can press on the three dots again, and you will see this option, who can comment on your post. Press it, and then select the very last option, profiles and pages you mention. That way, nobody will be able to comment unless you mention them specifically in the post. So click done, and now nobody can comment on your Facebook post. Thanks for watching, leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.